Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the in-game language on the Bloodstrike PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bloodstrike game on your device, and after you have chosen your server and logged in, you will be taken into the home page. From here, if you wish to change the in-game language, then simply click on the gear icon at the top right corner. This will now take you into the settings page, from which you will need to tap on the second to last option at the left side, which is the language menu. Here you will once again find two settings. Now the first setting will change your in-game language and the second one will change your in-game voice. So simply tap on the first option at the right side and this will now show you all of the different languages that are available for the game. Simply click on whichever language you wish to switch into and then tap on the confirm button to apply your changes. You will be warned that in order to switch language, you will need to log out. So in order to confirm this, you will need to tap on OK. After you tap on the OK button, the game will restart and it will now start appearing within your chosen language. And you can change this at any point of time by going back to the gear icon, the second to last option at the left side, and then choosing your desired language from the first menu. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the in-game language on the Bloodstrike PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.